tell y'all something right now. You going to college, but you got a program inside your brain. Now you're going. Like, there can't be no doubt. For some of y'all, how dare you come to school, just come to school because you're here. People died to be able to give you education. We should be celebrating Michael Phelps and how he bounced back after drug abuse and was dealing with issues and was suicidal and was depressed. That's what America does. We bounce back.
When I think of Jeremy Anderson, I think of him as the real deal.
Mr. Anderson's speech today was passionate. It was substantive. It had depth. It really will help take us to that next level where we need to go. It was what we needed.
He is so inspirational. He has done an incredible job. My kids, my staff have left here and they want him to come back. This is how good he is.
You're probably wondering who's Jeremy. And the reality is I'm just a regular guy that got tired of failing. You see, for years I failed in school, I battled with drug and alcohol abuse, and I lived a life of crime. Long story short, when my mind changed, I changed, then my life changed. I no longer live a life of crime. I'm not addicted to drugs and alcohol anymore. I'm a family man, I'm a husband, I'm a father, I'm a homeowner. I got my master's degree. I've started and ran successful businesses, and I'm the published author of 6 books. Years ago, I walked away from corporate America because I felt that my purpose was deeper than just a paycheck. You know, I wanted to help people get to that next level in life. That burning desire inside me moved me to help give them principles, whether they're in a corporate setting, whether they're with the school system, or whether they're with a church or a faith-based organization. And so now I help people from all walks of life go to that next level. So schools bring me in to speak to their students because I was that class clown. I was that kid that was diagnosed with ADHD and had a ton of issues. But now schools bring me in to speak to their kids to reinforce the value of education. Some of you sitting in here, you don't know your mom, you don't know your dad. Your folks are dealing with trouble. You're dealing with poverty. You don't know what you're gonna eat when you get home. I get it. But what I'm telling you is keep fighting, keep pushing, keep pressing. What if I told you today that I was a happily married man? I've been married now for 5 years. What if I told you that I got a 2-year-old daughter? What if I told you that I own 2 companies? What if I told you that we also own a nonprofit? What if I told you that I was the author of 6 books? What if I told you not only did I graduate from high school on time, but I was a part of the student government? What if I told you that I went on into college and got my degree in social work? What if I told you I went on and got my master's? What if I told you it's nothing you can't do? The interesting thing is that most schools I go to book me to train their staff as well. I mean, can you imagine that? The problem child inspiring the teachers? The reality is they're overworked and underpaid, and they have me come in to give them the needed boost that they need to get to that next level. I'm able to show them how to connect with the student I once was. You want to really change this country? You and I, we're going to keep going to that next level, and we're going to be the best people that we can be. Because we're raising up a new generation. A generation that knows the value of working hard, that knows the value of sacrifice, that knows the value and purpose of service and giving. Whether you got to give yourself a pep talk in the mirror at home, or you give yourself a pep talk in the mirror in your car before you go inside, but you tell yourself, I will be great, I will be powerful, I will be strong, and I will give these kids the best I have. From the East Coast to the West Coast, from India to Australia to South Africa. Real, they say, you like that accent, I kind of kick that thing in. I say real, it becomes real. I've been gifted with opportunities to speak to a wide array of audiences across the globe. I'm on a mission to help people become the best version of themselves so they can truly experience next level living. Hey, what's up? I hope you enjoyed today's video, and check this out. You gotta subscribe because I've got so many more videos in store for you. And when they come out, I want them to come directly to you. So click subscribe and let's keep building together.